In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. You need to start by opening your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear next to GIF. Then click on Voice Typing section and select this switcher next to Use Voice Typing in order to activate it. Now go back to your keyboard. Click on microphone icon and choose while using the app in the pop-up. After that, just start typing. When you finished, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!